What's up guys, I'm Brent with PrecisionLED.com and here we have a 2015 Ram 1500 we're going to be performing an LED fog light installation on. Now the 2015 is part of the 4th generation Ram 1500, so this install will be compatible with all years 2009 through 2018. Today we're going to be installing our premium style Quantum 9006 bulbs. So let's get started. So the fog install is actually very simple. So you can see right now we're actually just underneath the vehicle. So it's not necessary to have to pry back any wheel well liner or anything like that. We could really just access the halogen bulb just from underneath the vehicle. Here we are, this is the bumper right here. And as you can see, here is the halogen bulb. So we're actually just gonna reach in. We're just gonna twist the halogen bulb counterclockwise and just pull out to remove. And you also wanna be sure to remove this power cable here. And you can do so just by prying this tab outward and then just pulling away. And here we have the LED bulb that we're gonna be installing. So before installing the bulb, let's go ahead. We're gonna make this power connection here first. Here is the cable that's coming from the LED bulb, and we're going to be connecting that with the harness that's coming from the vehicle. So now that we have the power cable connected, we can go ahead and install the LED bulb. So we're just going to be lining up the 3 tabs on the LED bulb into the socket accordingly. Once everything is seated flush, twist the bulb clockwise until it locks into place. So everything looks good, so now let's just tidy up some of the wiring with some of these zip ties that are included inside of your kit. Now, our main goal is we don't want this ballast or this connector here rattling around inside of the bumper as you're driving. So first, let's just zip tie these 2 together. Keep everything in one, nice and tight. All right, that looks good. So now let's go ahead. We're gonna take the ballast. We're gonna zip tie it around this wire right here. Make sure everything's nice and snug so that it doesn't rattle around inside of the bumper. All right, so that feels good. Now let's just cut off the excess zip tie with a pair of wire cutters.
And that's the end of the installation. If you have any questions or concerns, please email us at help@precisionled.com, or you can reach us online and submit a support ticket at www.precisionled.com/contact. Now, like we said before, please like or subscribe if you enjoyed the video or enjoyed the process for what we do. It really does help us out when we make the next one, knowing that there's people out there watching the videos. Have a good one.